As you know from my previous videos, I have just finished the decking and play area. So, and I have got a bit of wood left over, only a little bit, which is just these here. So obviously I've got quite a few there. Now, there's no point just throwing that away. So what I'm going to make is some planters. So it should be a nice easy little project and get some plants in there, kind of make the decking look a bit nice with some flowers. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it. So I measure that. So I'm going to do 6 at 400. So if I take 6 out of there, take them 2, take, yeah, and take that one, leave that one to one side. So I've cut all my pieces. So I got 6 at 590 and I got 6 at 400. So what I've got as well is some 2x2. And if I just get 3 of these put together like so, if we measure now, down there we got 360. 360. We want to take a bit off, so if we take it down to 320, if we get our 2x2, if we mark on here now 320, we want 4 of them for each corner. So if we cut 4 of them now, you don't have to keep measuring it. What you can do is just put it up so it's flush up against there, like so, and then get your pencil and just mark it on that. Right, that's all the cutting done. So, got me 4 2x2s. Now it is a matter of just assembling. So, I'm going to have this as the inside. So what we'll do is line them up like so. And then that'll go on there. That'll go on there. What we're going to make sure is we keep the same. We're going to keep the depth for the next side like that. So that's about flush. So then get my pencil, just draw a line along there. Same with this side. Get it so it's flush, put that up, and then draw a line like so. Right, so now I have got the 2 sides, so they'll go like so, and then what we'll do is get these onto here like that. We'll get some screws in, just do some pilot holes and then just use some decking screws from when I use the decking. So that's the frame done now. So what we need to do is the bottom. So again, I'm just going to get this, measure it there, do it there as well. Then I've got some of this kickboard here, which is left over as well. And I'll do 2 rows in there and get that screwed in. And there we go. So we just want 2 planks now going across, and then we'll do the legs. And we'll pop some screws in. There we go, so I've cut them at 311 and I've measured 150mm in from there. Just draw a line, and then 150mm from there. Let's just draw a line like so. And if we add a screw in, we earned 150mm from there as well, like that. Add a line so it doesn't move. Do the same on there. Now to line it, I've just got some rubber bags. It's plastic. I don't really want to go out and, like I say, this is a scrap wood challenge of making a planter out of just scrap materials that I've got around. I don't want to go out and buy some plant liner. Anything plastic would usually do anyway, so Alright, now I've got all that lining in. Doesn't have to be neat, so obviously soil's going to fill it up. But what I'm just doing now is just stabbing loads of holes in the bottom, just so that the water can pass through. And there you go. Just from the leftovers from the decking, some leftover timber that I've had lying around from previous projects, some rubble bags as a blight liner, and I've just stabbed some holes in and got myself a free wooden planter. So what do you reckon? I reckon it's something you can make yourselves. If you've liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, by all means, it does help me out. Hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.